How to report someone on Discord. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right and then scroll all the way down to the app information section and then click on support. Once this page opens, click on the three lines at the top right of the screen next to the sign in option and then click on submit a request. From the drop down on this page that says what can we help you with, select trust and safety, and then they will ask you for your email address, so go ahead and enter that. And after that, in the drop down that says how can we help, select your issue, say for example report abuse or harassment, and another drop down will appear that asks you what would you like to report. So to be more specific, you have a lot of options here. Say for example choose cyberbullying or harassment, and they will ask you in what way you were cyberbullied or harassed, and you can choose whatever option suits you the best. Say for example this one right here, and you have the option to confirm that you have read the informations at the bottom by checking the box, and they will ask you where is this content, in which server. Say for example in a server I don't own or moderate, and they will ask you for the server link, and then here you can type in your subject, say for example report abuse or harassment, and then description, tell them everything that you have, and an optional attachment, say for example like screenshot or something like that. Once you're done, click on submit, and that way your report will be sent. So that was it for this video. That's how you can report anybody in Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.